Falcon shocks for the Ford Super Duty F-250 were designed and manufactured to give you the highest driving quality, whether you're pushing the limits of your towing capacity, cruising off-road trails, or simply driving to work. Having the right shocks under your truck can make all the difference. The Falcon Sport Shock System for the Ford Super Duty F-250 provides superior vehicle handling and control. Falcon shocks increase off-road driving comfort and towing stability. The Sport Monotube shocks utilize the innovative SP2 Mode Adjust feature. SP2 provides the freedom to switch between two different modes. The standard performance mode provides dynamic off-road control and unmatched stability in all driving environments. The soft/cold tuning gives a completely different driving experience. Switching to this mode opens a valve on the shaft that bypasses the internal valve stack, decreasing the firmness by about 25%. Installing Falcon Sport Shocks on the Super Duty is a very straightforward process. Raise the truck off the ground. You don't need to remove the tires, but we are doing so the camera can see what is going on. Support the front axle and remove the factory shocks. Install the top end of the Falcon shocks using the provided bushings and hardware. With the shaft fully extended, rotate the shaft either clockwise or counterclockwise to set the shock's mode. We recommend rotating a full 360 degrees to ensure the shock is in the correct mode. Once the mode is set, install the lower eyelet reusing the factory hardware. In the rear, support the axle and remove the factory shocks. Lubricate the upper eyelet on the rear Falcon shock and slide it onto the post mount. Reuse the factory hardware. Rotate the shaft and set the shock to the same mode as the front shocks. You should always have all four shocks in the same mode. Have the roost guards face away from the axle. Install the lower eyelet reusing the factory hardware.